Hi, welcome to 151 Garage. I'm Jill, and today we are going to black out the white part of the light. Now we got these from Sticker Fab. We only have just one set, so I can't screw it up. So it is a wet install. This is water. They recommend soap and water. I'm going to just see if I can do it with just the water and not screw it up. They do supply you with a squeegee in the thing. I just have a smaller one. They're just like big. So they are cut, obviously, to go per side, so you can't mix them up. They're not labeled or anything, but just tell by the design of this, that's how they go. So this one goes here, that one goes there. So we're going to see how easy or how hard this is going to be to put on. Wish me luck. So the first thing you want to do is obviously clean this off, which I already did before. I did all this yesterday. I wiped off all the tail lights and everything. We're going to spray this down. I'm going to have to keep it wet because I have the sun beating down on it. Now on your squeegee, use the felt side. Don't use this side, you're gonna tear it. There you go. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because Sean does not like the bright white that was here. So let me take you over to this side. So he does not like the fact, sorry, I'm just making sure my camera is playing. So he does not like the fact that all of this is white. He's like, it's too bright. So we got some film, and it tints, so it's very see-through. It's just, you know, no different than when you would go and get your headlights or taillights tinted at a tint place. This is basically the same thing. Spray it down. We're doing this in the sun because you want to have a warm surface. It's just, you're gonna have to spray a lot of water to keep it to where you can slide it. might take you guys off the stand real quick. So hang on. Okay, so they are blacked out. You can see the light right through it. There's no bubbles. I smoothed everything out. It was a very easy install. It was my first time doing this, as you can see. The difference between this one and this one are extreme. So the lower level models, depending on how it's built, will have these kind of tail lights. That is tinted. So we're gonna see how well it holds up. I don't know, I never used them before. That vehicle there has the entire light tinted. So let's go pay this vehicle a visit. As you can see, the entire light is tinted, not just the white parts. That's how I'm used to having them done. So we'll see how well this holds up. I never had like a partial tint job before on a light. I'm gonna just leave it, let it cook in the sun, let the sun do its thing. But just check and see if there's any bubbles in there. I don't see anything, don't feel anything. But there you go. Hopefully Sean likes it. We're slowly just starting to black everything out. Now I just need to get a black Ford emblem or a cover for that, and we'll go from there. So if you don't like white tail lights or the white part of your tail lights and you want them a little bit darker, I believe this one is dark smoke. I'll have to look on the order form, but I will put the link of the Sticker Fab site where we got these down below. But yeah, if you don't like the white on your tail lights, if you're just that picky, there are options. It's a cheaper option instead of having the entire thing replaced or having the whole thing tinted, which in some states that is illegal, or just having part of it tinted. So there are options for these taillights. This is just a cheaper one. Again, I'll have to do another video of, you know, how well our stuff holds up after quite some time. Being that we're in Florida, the sun is brutal. It destroys everything pretty much. So stay tuned for that one. But yeah, if you're interested in these, you literally saw it took like 5 or so minutes to get these done. Just be really careful. It is a wet install and take your time doing it. And this is also another good thing, you know, if you want your kids to get involved in cars, things like this are perfect because they're easy. They're quick and they're easy. As long as you have the patience, you can teach that kid anything. And I think this would be a very good way to get kids into cars. These, the fender flares, the stickers on the airbag thing, you know, little simple thing to get kids into cars. Because being in the body shop business, there's not a lot of people that want to get into cars because it's a physical manual labor, and a lot of people are not looking to do physical, manual labor. But if you have a kid that likes cars and wants to learn how to work on them, encourage it and do simple things like this just to keep that drive going. We will see you on the next one. Bye.